jumper practice, that is antenna switch jumper, track breakage jumper and display jumper. This course of mobile repairing is designed to give an opportunity to a student to apply the principal fundamentals of operation and servicing of mobile phones. As you know that you have been taught about the tracks and circuit involved in mobile manufacturing and its repairing. Now let us get an understanding of jumper circuit used in mobile phones. Before going to these main topic, let us get introduced the meaning of jumper. What is jumper? It is a term which means give a connection from one point to other by passing in between components. A good conductor wire is used to make a jumper which bypasses the components and pass on a signal or supply line for further uses. When wire is used as a jumper, it must have a special specification as required. Moving on further, let us study jumper setting to solve the problem related to charging, earphone, keyboard, network, etc. Now, what are the significance of these jumper settings which are made to provide a connection? They are used to repair mobile phone and we do not have any other option but to put jumpers. To place the jumper, a person must know the technique of connecting a wire and its pins. Now, antenna switch jumper are commonly used in mobile communication terminals due to their many attractive. The electrical property of a handset antenna, especially the bandwidth, are known to depend strongly on the size of the jumper. Its main feature are simple structure, low production cost, light, weight and robustness. What are track breakage jumper? For understanding this jumper, let us take an example as BlackBerry mobile phone. Trackpad not working and there are some corrective measure that should be done. You can try replacing the trackpad first and make sure also if the trackpad works really well. But in that case, if it is true damage on the trackpad, then the first solution mobile phone back to normal, and then if the first solution does not work, you can do a checkpoint on the trackpad. Now check one by one lane trackpad if there is a path breaking jumper. You can see IC jumper for insert SIM fault. Next topic is display count jumper. First, disassemble your mobile phone. After this, check motherboard if there is any carbon water damage or rust. Clean whole board with electronic cleaner and then apply hot air for a few minutes so that it can be dry. Now replace LED if it is a jack LCD, and if it is pasted, then after removing check its print value. If value is OK, then replace LCD, and if value is missing, then check whole parts of components as shown in the above diagram. Now check all the part, if any track of them is missing, apply jumper. In this way, for to display count jumper, most mobile phone repairing is done by performing this jumper. Different parts of a mobile cell phone like display have different jumper setting. It is important to first track the fault or missing track and then do the jumper. Thank you.